Learn Korean with me.
안녕하세요.
Welcome to my channel Learn Languages. Today we are going to learn how vowels and consonants use together.
These are those vowels and consonants we learned in previous lessons. I hope you all practice well. This is the
기억,
we pair it with the vowel
아, 기억,
plus
아, 가,
similarly do with other consonants too.
나, 마, 다, 라, 바, 사, 자, 차, 카, 타, 바, 하.
Similarly you all do with all consonants and practice it well.
갸, 갸, 거, 거, 겨, 겨, 고, 고, 교, 교, 구, 구, 규, 규, 그, 아이, 아이.
Do same thing with the all consonants and practice well. Keep practicing and follow for more.